What's up, ladies and gentlemen? You asked for a Saturday session video, and that's what we're gonna give you today. We're at the boats right now, about to take it out, go to PP Islands from Phuket, and a little bit of rain right now, but I'm pretty sure that's gonna clear up quite soon. Team bonding day. We got 12 of us with the team today, as you can see behind me. So let's check out the Saturday and have a good time. We're on our way out from the boat, but we had to stop and get some fuel. It was about 10,000 to fill up the tank, actually about half full, but not dollars, only baht. We're making our way out right now through the channel from the marina, and these are over here, they're all mangroves. So they're just basically the trees that go deep into the earth and basically secure all of the land from being eroded. So that's kind of what protects the island. They're very, very protected in Thailand. You actually cannot remove them or kill them. You need to keep them in here. So we're just going out here through the mangroves out to the open ocean, and let's see what happens. So we brought an electric pump for these massive inflatables, but the extension cord is broken. So these guys are gonna perform some electrical engineering right now and splice the wires and fix it.
Fixing the electricity?
Yeah.
Thank you.
We are here with the Apollo X team, Pete, Doogie, Jake and the boys. They're all leaving here in a couple of weeks. So we thought we would bring them out and show them the lifestyle that we have here on the island. We work hard and we play hard. As you can see, we're on Kyle's lovely boat here. We're out on the south of Thailand, very close to the Krabi coast. Right now it's pretty closed up here because of COVID, so we haven't been able to stop in the usual spots that are pretty beautiful, and I think it's a good thing. This place has been sort of ravaged by tourism, so over the last few years it's good to see it all regenerating and nobody around, so wildlife has a chance.
This right here is the biggest inflatable I've ever seen in my entire life.
Oh, the rope broke. Oh no. How is it like losing your boyfriend?
He's like passed away right now.
It was nice knowing you, Kyle. Right now we've got a rescue mission. We gotta go get him. Mission accomplished. Looks like Paid Network still has its CEO. We're good. One really cool thing about the area we're going today is it's a famous area in Thailand for filming movies like James Bond. I believe it was The Man with the Golden Gun, and we're gonna go check out James Bond Island here in a second.
My name is Bond, James Bond.
Cool, man, floating around there in the middle of the ocean on the unicorn sitting on f***ing rainbows.
decided to come back in, and the tide was really low, so we had to wait for an hour. But there are much worse things to do in life than chill on a beautiful boat with amazing friends and watch an incredible sunset. So today was such a fun day out on the boat with the team. It was great team building. Soon we are headed to House of Dao, and that is incredibly exciting, and we're bringing you guys along for the ride. If you found this video interesting, if you like to see kind of a behind the scenes or what we do in the crypto lifestyle and what life is like at House of Dao, make sure that you subscribe, like, and share this with everybody. We want everyone to be seeing this and know that you can come do what you love to do with an incredibly great and very fun environment like we have out here.